the leg section, and I've already worked the first 4 rounds for the heel, and this is the beginning of round 5 of the ankle to knee section. So the marker shows the beginning of the round, and I've already worked the first 5 DC of round 5. Now I've got to skip 9 stitches before working a DC in the next 6 stitches. So if I count the stitches around, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm going to be working in this stitch here. But in order to work from the right side, I need to make sure that I come over the top like this. So go in the front loop pony, pull the yarn through. It needs to be nice and tight, this stitch, because it's the join at the ankle. So make sure you give it a bit of an extra tug when you finish the stitch. So that's now 1 stitch complete, so I've got to do another 5 to the end of the round. So now we're back at the position of the marker for the beginning of the round, ready to carry on for the leg. But I'll just pull that up and show you that we've now got a join here at the ankle, and these stitches are the stitches that are going to be worked for the foot. So you'll rejoin to work those later. And now we'll continue going round on these stitches at the top here for the leg. So this is the finished leg piece, but just a word about the shaping once you get to the knee, because up to the knee the legs are the same for both the right and the left leg, but when you get to the knee there are instructions to increase or decrease relating to the centre front or the centre back of the leg. So at that point, when you get to the knee, you need to decide whether you're working the right or the left leg, so that you know which is going to be the inside of the leg and which is going to be the outside. So all you need to do is fold the leg flat with where the foot will be pointing forwards. Here I've already put the foot on, but you'll put the foot on afterwards. So fold it flat with the foot facing forward to find the centre front and the centre back. And then what you can do when you're working your rounds, you can count round the stitches from the centre front, if that's where you're instructed to count from, on the inside of the leg, in this case, around that side, and on the outside of the leg here. And that's the same if you're working from the centre back. So this time, the inside of the leg is this side of the leg here, and this is the outside of the leg. So find the centre back and count round the stitches from the centre back for the inside of the leg that way and for the outside of the leg that way.